Alright, so in this video I'm going to discuss how we can do a logistic regression in Excel using the XLMiner analysis ToolPak. So first go to Home and Add-ins and see if you have the XLMiner analysis ToolPak. You might have to search for it, but then you click on it and then it will populate on your screen. And then we're going to be specifically looking at the logistic regression analysis. So what I'm going to do is pull some data, and this data is coming from Datamation. So I'll post this into my Excel. So there's the website. And what you'll do is go there and highlight and copy the data and paste it into Excel. After you do that, we'll go back over here to our add-in and we'll type in the following information for the logistic regression. So the logistic regression is going to go from A1 to A13 for the input Y range. So that's the probabilities for trying to determine the draft. The input X range will be the points, rebounds, and assist data that's located in from B1 to D13. The data have labels, and the confidence level will be 95%, and our output range will be F1. So over to the side, and then you'll click OK, and then the data will output. So here we get our different coefficients, and what's nice about this also gives us our odd ratios and our confidence intervals. In this particular example, though, the p-values, none of those are less than 0.05, so this is not a great model. A lot of it has to do with number of iterations, which was 7, that's fine, but the number of observations is very low. You typically want 30 or more. But that's how you can do a logistic regression in Excel.